Today I'm going to show you how to use the Capitalize My Title WordPress plugin in the Gutenberg text editor. The Gutenberg text editor is a great way for beginner bloggers and advanced bloggers to quickly create great looking articles and blog content. So we wanted to make sure that our Capitalize My Title WordPress plugin worked with the Gutenberg text editor as well. So here you can see I have an existing article on one of my test sites for how to write a postcard. And you can see that it's built into Gutenberg text editor using text blocks. So we've got header blocks, paragraph blocks, etc. When I scroll to the bottom, I can see the Capitalize My Title WordPress plugin meta box. And I can see by quickly looking at this capitalized column that I have two incorrectly capitalized headers. One is my title tag and one is an H2 header. So I can see what the current title is here. And when I go over to the right side, I can see the correctly capitalized titles. So for example, my title tag should have a capital W in write and capital P in postcard. And then the H2 tag is actually the that should be lowercase. So to quickly correct this capitalization errors, I have several options. First, I could click on this capitalize button on the far right. And this will quickly capitalize title and change it to a green correct. The other options I have are to select each individual header and then click capitalize selected. So I could do that with the title tag here and just capitalize that title. And as you can see, it is green now. The other option I have that I could have used before is capitalize all. So I'm going to actually go back to the main text and change several of our headers. I'm going to change conclusion, sign, and then when I scroll back down, you can see that these are red, as well, meaning that they're incorrectly capitalized. When I click capitalize all of my headers now will be capitalized correctly. And there you have it. This is how to use the Capitalize My Title WordPress plugin in Gutenberg text editor.